Removing carpet staples? No problem. When you have the right tools. Introducing Staple Popper Stand-Up Carpet Staple Remover Tool, and Staple Popper Mini Stair Carpet Staple Remover Tool. The only tools you will need in removing those carpet staples. These tools are made in the USA, with heavy-duty materials in order to ensure a product that delivers long-lasting strength and resilience for years to come. Using these tools will dramatically reduce the time spent on the job, and save you from aggravation, getting the job done quicker and efficiently. These pesky staple will never be a burden anymore. Thanks to the Staple Popper Carpet Staple Remover Tools. Visit us at www.staplepopper.com.